Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Face ID on OnlyFans step by step. First, open the OnlyFans app on your phone and make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you have not logged in yet, you can just log in using the same method you used when signing up. Once you land on the home page, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. This opens a screen showing a quick profile overview along with multiple options. From here, tap on settings and you will now be redirected to the settings screen. Next, tap on account and then scroll until you see the security section. Inside the security section, you will see options like passport login sessions, two-step authentication, and lastly passwordless sign-in. Make sure to tap on passwordless sign-in. And now it is important to understand that the OnlyFans does not have a separate Face ID or biometric toggle inside the app, as the Face ID works through the passwordless sign-in. On this screen, you will see an instruction for passwordless authentication with Face ID or biometric authentication, and below it you will see the list of devices that has been added through it. To disable Face ID, you can just simply remove the added device from this list. You can just simply tap on the cross icon given within the device, then a confirmation message will appear. Make sure to tap delete in order to confirm, and you can see that it is successfully removed from the list. Once the device is removed, Face ID will no longer work for logging into OnlyFans on that phone. If you don't see any device listed, that means passwordless sign-in is not active and the Face ID is already disabled. And that's it. The Face ID is now fully disabled on your OnlyFans account. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.